Assalamu alaikum. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about sensible sentences. You know what is sentence? A group of words is known as sentence. बहुत सारे words मिलकर एक sentence बनाते हैं. For example, Nikki, Ricky and Sam. This group of words tell us three names without giving a complete idea about them. A group of words that does not give a complete idea is not a sentence. So, the first example is not a sentence. इससे हमको पूरी मालूमात नहीं मिल रही है, इसलिए ये सेंटेंस नहीं है. Now see the next one. Nikki, Ricky and Sam are playing football. Nikki, Ricky and Sam तीनों भी फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. This group of words give us complete idea about the three children, naming Nikki, Ricky and Sam. So this group of words is a sentence. Thus, in a sentence, we place all the words in a correct way to make sense. Such sentences are known as sensible sentences. Each sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or period. A complete sentence must have a noun, a verb and a complete message. एक complete sentence में noun होना चाहिए, verb होना चाहिए और उससे हमको पूरी मालूमात मिलना चाहिए. Every sentence has two parts, that is the naming part and the telling part. Naming part, it is a noun or pronoun or a noun phrase. It tells who or what the sentence is about. नेमिंग पार्ट से हमको पता चलता है किसी पर्सन का नेम या प्रोनाउन या नाउन फ्रेज. व्हाट इज नाउन फ्रेज? It is a group of words that act like a noun in a sentence. Naming part tells a name of someone or something, while the telling part starts with a verb and include all words that come after the verb. It tells us something of the person, animal or thing in the naming part. नेमिंग पार्ट हमको बताता है जिस पर्सन का या एनिमल का या चीज का नाम नेमिंग पार्ट में है उसके बारे में. इट टेल्स व्हाट समवन और समथिंग डज. नाउ लेट अस सी सम एग्जांपल्स. अ पीकॉक इज डांसिंग. इन दिस एग्जांपल अ पीकॉक इज अ नेमिंग पार्ट while is dancing is a telling part. Now next example, a cat is jumping. In this example, a cat is a naming part while is jumping is a telling part. Now see some other examples. Meetu and her family live in a bungalow. In this example, Meetu and her family are a naming part, while live in a bungalow is a telling part. Birds fly in the sky. In this example, birds are naming part, while fly in the sky is a telling part. Now let us arrange some words to make sensible sentences. School I love going to. Is it correct sentence? No, this is not a correct sentence. Now let us arrange the word in proper way. I love going to school. This is the correct one. Is reading a book. Is this give us complete idea about anything? No. So the correct one is, this is wrong. The correct one is Raju is reading a book. Raju book पढ़ रहा है. This is the correct one. So this is a sensible sentence. Now let us learn about phrase. Phrase means muhavra. A phrase is a group of words without a verb. It does not give a complete message. फ्रेज में वर्ब नहीं होता है और उससे हमको पूरी मालूमात नहीं मिलती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ कॉमेट शाइन्स ब्राइटली. इट गिव अस कंप्लीट इंफॉर्मेशन, सो it is not a phrase. At night, it doesn't give us complete information, so it is a phrase. Mary and James. This is the name of two children, so it is also a phrase. The big bad wolf. It doesn't give us complete message, so it is also a phrase. A bushy tail. Do you know what is the bushy tail? Tail like a squirrel. It doesn't give us complete message, so it is also a phrase. Now write down today's homework. In today's homework, you have to make meaningful sentences using these four phrases. At night, Mary and James, the big bad wolf, and a bushy tail. You have to make four meaningful sentences.